Okay, hey guys, how are you guys doing today? My name is Aaron Ramirez. Thank you guys so much for catching today's video. For those of you guys who are new, my name is Aaron Ramirez. I'm a high school student who tries to help out other people with my age with fashion, fitness, lifestyle, anything like that. And if you haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it if you did. But other than that, let's go straight into today's video, which, if you can't tell by the title, it's going to be how to distress your own denim or jeans. So right here I have Hollister pants that literally just came in. The price tag is still on it and there is no distressing on them, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some slits on the knee right here. I literally bought them for that reason. And just to let you guys know, I am not a professional. I've only done this like maybe 2 times before. But anyways, the first step for me at least is to put them on so I can see where the knees are exactly. Okay, now that the jeans are on, I like to grab a pencil and where my knees are at, I like to draw just 2 little dots. Maybe insanely noticeable, but it's just enough so I can see where to cut. Or in all honesty, what you can do to make it a little bit easier, you could actually start a little hole right now. Okay, now that I know where to cut, I just need to take them off. In all honesty, I do recommend to only do this with cheap pants. These were only 25 from Hollister, so I don't really care too much for them. So now all I'm doing is I'm cutting, but I'm not going from inseam to inseam. I'm leaving about 1 inch of uncut fabric. I'll show you right now. So once you cut the first side, when you're cutting the other side, make sure that they are on the same level. You don't want one like here and then the other one here. Okay, so right here you can see that I cut the hole, but there is still like some fabric. So it's not from side to side. I still left some fabric right there. Okay, now I can try them on. Now that I see them on, I feel like they could be a little bit bigger. So what I like to do, I literally like to put them where my knees at, and I like to like rip it like. So now this is awkward angle. But now that like I have like this hole and I feel like it could be bigger, what I like to do is I like to stretch it and like rip it a little bit more so it has like a rugged, distressed look. And then same thing with this side. So now that looks a bit better. I have to stand right here again so I can show you. So this is how they look. And that is literally it. It is really not that hard to distress. It's really not that hard to cut your own jeans. You can add a little bit more distressing if you want. But as of right now, I'm really into just like the knee slits. So that's what I'm sticking with for now. Like I said, only do this on cheap pairs of pants. So if you mess it up, it's not that big of a deal. These were from Hollister. They were only 25. But yeah, that's literally it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know today was more of a short video. But like I said, I am going to be pushing out a lot more videos that are still good. I'm not pushing out a lot of shitty videos. I still want to make some really good ones and still consistently upload. But other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. If you're not subscribed and you like what you see so far, then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in